Kung titingnan yung consistency, ayan o, ganyan siya. Yeah. So hanggang ganyan lang. And ganyan siya. So, massage your face after applying this product. Bakit nga ba nasa IC? Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and good afternoon, good morning, and good evening to you all. And now, I'm going to present to you etong magandang serum. Yung name niya is Snail Truecica or Truecica. Ayan, Miracle Repair Serum. Ayan, so etong Snail na Truecica serum na ito is meron siyang tatlong benefits to your face and neck, which is number 1 is to yung i-reduce niya yung size ng pimple mo. Number 2 is to lighten your face and neck. And number 3 is to, ayan, i-shrink niya yung pores mo. Kaya sinabi nilang miracle serum because it works like a miracle. Kaya this is the bottle and this is the box. Kaya let's begin with my description. Kaya as you can see here, yung itsura ng box, ganyan. And of course, the bottle is like this. Pero hindi ako masyadong babasahin yung details niya because it is in Korean character. However, meron siyang description dito na maliit lang. Ayan, so it is in English. Buti naman at meron English na version because syempre iba kapag Korean product eh. Yung context niya is in Korean, so obviously I'm a Pinoy. Hindi ko mabasa yung mga context niya. So, ito lang. And babasahin natin. If snail has a scar on its skin or breaks its shell, it has a magical power to recover and heal. Snails have existed in this planet for more than 600 million years. And we borrowed its self-healing power onto the serum to help na mag-heal ang sensitive skin. Kaya ito yung itsura niya, yung bottle, which is obviously it's medyo plastic siya. Yan, plastic siya. And then medyo malaki siya. So yung content nito is ayan, 890,000 ppm, which is large enough to repair your face, yung skin surface mo, yung epidermis and dermis, magbe-benefit dyan kasi it works like a miracle, o di ba? Let's talk about the price of this one. Medyo may kamahalan siya. So, 50 ml of this. 50 ml siya. So, as you can see here, saan ko nakita yung 50 ml? Ayan. So, ganyan. 50 ml. Ayun, 50 ml yung isang bottle. And this is worth 610 pesos. Depende yan sa seller. Sa Lazada ko ulit binili. 610 pesos. Meron yung iba 700, yung iba 810. Pero syempre, binili ko to sa Lazada. And yan, hindi ako nagsisi sa pinagbilhan ko because yung pinipili ko kasi yung yung seller with the highest rating and maraming stocks and maraming testimonials na fast delivery. Nag-order ako nung last week and then dumating after 3 days. Kaya sobrang bilis mag-ship ng seller na ito. Kaya pack na pack and eto na siya. O, diba? Kaya it's time for us to apply the product and demonstrate just for you guys. Kaya kung makikita nyo, i-open natin to. Ganyan. I-inspect muna natin siya. So, yung amoy niya is may amoy siya ng konti pero hindi yung as strong as yung ibang serum na may mga amoy talaga. Ito is talagang naturally made and knowing Korean made products, medyo maselan sila sa pag-create ng product and mas natural yung hinahalo nila sa kanilang mga products, especially mga cosmetics. Kaya if you could see, i-apply natin. So ganyan siya. Ayan. So it is a gel. Medyo malapot siya. So, this is comparable with the hair gel. Kung alam niyo yung hair gel, ganyan siya. So, ayan, hindi ko makita pero ganyan siya. And kung titingnan niyo yung consistency, ayan ganyan siya. So, it's malapot. Super lapot niya. And talagang konti lang ilalagay kasi syempre medyo mahal siya. Mahal siya. And i-apply natin sa face natin. Yan. So, ganyan. And always apply it in circular motion para at least ma-absorb niya. So, hanggang ganyan lang. And ganyan siya. So, massage your face after applying this product. Ganyan. Madali siyang ma-absorb sa skin, kaya ito yung gusto ko sa kanya. And don't forget to, of course, apply it in your eyes. Ganyan. O, diba? Kaya pack na pack. And wala siyang effect. Wala siyang after effect. Hindi siya nag-i-irritate. Hindi siya nag-burn. Walang burning sensation akong nararamdaman. I don't feel any itchiness. Ayan. Tapos walang nag-i-inflame. So, I must say na this product is really miraculous because yan, medyo pinapalit talaga niya yung pores. So, even at my age, dapat malalaki na yung pores ko. Pero, ayan, kitang-kita niyo, ganyan siya. O, diba? Ayan, so, all I can say is that ito, Snail Truecica Repair Serum works best. Lalo na kapag i-testing nyo kapag may hangover kayo. Tapos syempre dry yung skin nyo, kulang kayo sa tubig, dehydrated kayo. So yung skin nyo talagang mararamdaman nyo na magda-dry siya, magbabanat. And i-testing nyo ito. Ayan, may smoothen niya yung skin mo. Sorry lang, may tumawag kasi. Phone yung ginagamit ko muna ngayon. Ayan, kasi brownout ngayon, hindi ako nakapag-charge ng camera. So, no choice, phone ang gagamitin ko. And since maga pa, ayan, gagamitin ko ang natural lighting para mag-vlog. O, di ba? Ayan, so let's continue vlogging about this product. And kung gagamitin nyo ito, mauubos nito in 2 months. Kung talagang matipid kayo sa paggamit ng product, yung kanina kasi medyo marami yung nilagay ko. 2 beses pa ako naglagay, o di ba? Kaya ito, for sure mauubos ko to in, kung hindi 1 month, 1.5 month, ayan, mauubos ko to. Ayan. Sa mga hindi naman hiyang, it's, wag nang pilitin na i-gamitin kasi baka mas lalo lang na tutubo yung magkaka-breakout ko sa face o kaya magkakaroon ng irritation. So, it's best to, ayan, wag nang ituloy if ever you feel an instant reaction. O kaya yung iba naman kasi, biglang nagkakaroon sila ng matinding pimple breakout. So, kapag ganon, it means hindi ka hiyang sa product. So, like me, hindi ako hiyang sa yung cream na pants. Kaya medyo nag-iingat ako sa paggamit ng pants. Once lang, and then hindi ko na siya gagamitin the other day or sa mga succeeding days kasi magkakaroon ako ng matinding breakout. And kapag nagkakaroon ako ng allergic breakout or acne breakout sa isang product, talagang malalaki yung bug breakout. So, ayokong gamitin yung mga ganon. And yun lang yung advice ko sa mga hindi hiyang sa mga ganitong product. But anyway, sa mga hiyang, swerte nyo because this product really serves you well. Talagang hindi ka magsisisi sa 610 pesos na pagbili mo sa product na ito. Ayan. And then, it is important to keep out of reach of children kasi baka kainin nila. Ayun. Hindi rin to pwedeng ilagay mo sa may bintana. Don't place this product under the sunlight because, syempre, kapag maarawan siya, magkakaroon ng chemical reaction, and then mapapalitan yung composition ng formula nito. Kaya instead of 890,000 ppm, baka magiging 90 ppm lang siya kasi nga na neutralize ng sun's rays and medyo hindi maganda yung result kapag masinagan siya ng araw. Kaya keep out of reach of sunlight and store at room temperature. Dapat hindi siya mag-reach out sa more than 30 degrees Celsius. Ayan. Hindi din siya pwede sa high temperature, ha? Ayan. Kaya Ayan, my verdict for this product is 10 over 10. Kaya this one and this one really works for me and it really serves me well. Ayan, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo. Hindi ako nagsisisi na binili ko to. Medyo mahal nga lang siya. Ayan, Snail Truecica by Sam by Me. I'm not sure kung that's the correct pronunciation, pero yun yung nandito. And I'm glad I bought this product because ito yung pinaka nire-recommend ng iba. Ayan. So, once again, ganyan siya. Made in Korea. Purely made in Korea. Kaya, guys, if you have more questions, before that pala, kung gusto niyo pa ng more product reviews from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ayan. So, over here and here, I have 2 YouTube channels. And if you're interested to ask me questions, just reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. The Story of Anthony is my account. Ayan. Kaya, guys, don't forget to, ayan, antabayadan nyo yung mga next product reviews ko. So, thank you. That's all for today and ingat po kayo.